welcome back to the channel. Yeah, today I'm about to go onto the other side of the property so we can finish with this carport, getting it turned into a shop, hopefully. So I'm about to load up some stuff on my little cart right here. Don't mind it, it ain't the best, but hey, she's gonna take me there. We're gonna ride her over there because I gotta load up the jack to be able to lift the carport off the ground so we can get it sitting up. And we was gonna go with some wheels, but it's cheaper to roll it on some PVC pipes, so that's what we're gonna do. So y'all stay tuned. I'll be back when we get over there, or when I ride down. Yeah. Oh, all right, guys, we about to head to the other side of the property. Okay, watch out. Let me get in.
Okay.
Oh,
Hello.
see if I can get in here. Alright guys, we made it over here.
Yeah, guys.
He told me some, yeah guys. Yeah guys. Yeah, alright, let's get my camera
Now
out.
they can see what we did, like, on that other video.
Yeah. Alright, y'all, so what I gotta do is hold on, let me show y'all. I gotta get these stakes up right here. You see these stakes right here? This bar was covered up on all this dirt. It was a big ant bed right here. But I was able to get this stake all the way up on this one. Well, I'm still working on it. Yeah, they long, baby. I was pulling up, but it's got ants on it, so y'all can see it.
It was coming out easy.
Well, once I got it on the from on that, I hit right here. Oh yeah, that's a long stake, y'all. Yeah, dang. All right, guys, you got twist and pull, twist and pull. Whew, that was a long one.
We are in the middle.
Give me the other one over there. So, y'all, we got 2 out. All right, put that one over there. Yeah, we got 3 out so far, all the way out. Come on, pull on up, baby.
Yeah.
All right, guys, we got this one out. That's 4. Put over there.
Yeah.
We got, now we need to bring this. Stop bringing this stuff right here. Grab that for me. So, we got 4. Put that down. Put it down there. That's 4 of them, so we got 2 more, y'all, and we'll be done. All right, Cam, go ahead.
That was easy.
Yeah, it just started coming out. All right, put it on the other one. All right, guys, look, we got 1 more now. I'm getting excited. But they only had 6 on there.
But
Okay.
if they had 10, you
Oh, 10, I would have been gave up. Oh, that one coming up. That easy too. All right, you got it. Get your bike, Si.
that was hard.
All right, y'all. That was the last one. Come on, put that one over there. Yeah, that was the last one. So we got, let's see. Yeah, right. That was the last one.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay.
All right, we got all 6 on now. All right, guys. That was the last one. We had to get out. So I got all the stakes out. All we gotta do is lift it up now and roll. Put the pipes under there to roll.
We did it
on.
at the right time.
And then here comes my boo. I hear him coming. He finally got our work. You know, we've been out here all day. He made it home from work.
We did it.
baby. We just got done. We just got finished.
Y'all got them all up?
Yeah. Hard work too, baby.
My hands are all rusty.
Yeah. Yeah.
How did
Alright, y'all. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Y'all stay tuned for the rest of the footage of us moving it out of the way and all that stuff. Cause we still gotta move it too. Yeah. You see how he blowing horns and stuff. Alright, y'all. Hype me up. Hey, yo, welcome back to the channel. Y'all, today we finna lift this this, I don't know what part this is, to our carport transition or transformation. But we got these pipes right here that we gonna put on the bottom of the carport to roll it forward so we can square up our 20 by 20 spot to get the concrete poured. So y'all stay tuned. That's what we about to do today. Alright, y'all, he about to lift it up to put it up. Ooh. Push it forward.
Go.
Oh, that's a tight fit.
Bring one at the back.
I thought you were doing 3.
Yeah, but I'd rather get it up on both ends, then put one in the middle.
Okay.
Right here.
We'll put one in the front. One in the front.
Yeah. In the middle. Yeah.
Oh. Hold on. Alright, that's it.
just grabbing up there. Just pushing up.
Yeah, we got some baby now.
You get it now? Are you with me?
Alright. We got it up, guys.
Those, huh?
Just a little bit. Is it on it?
Go.
Got it, King. Hold on, but I'm finna help you. You don't want my help, guys. Alright, Kara, you can't move it with the weight on it like that. I can say it was cheaper than buying wheels to put on it. When you could just roll it with your PVC pipe. I mean PCV pipe. However you say it. So we gotta move. This is the spot it is in. Y'all can see our line. So all we gotta do now. What we gotta do, babe? What we gotta do? Put your boards up.
Boards up and level it out.
Okay, you gotta put the boards up and then level it out, guys. So, stay tuned. so far, guys. We done
Box it out.
he done box it in. So y'all little view. Right here. He ain't finished with it yet, but he cutting a piece of board for this corner right here now. And y'all must see it. Oh, so see what they doing. The children. Yeah, let me take this in. Sit y'all down here because we on this end right here. We're gonna finish off this last little part, connecting it until he put the stakes in to hold it tighter or whatever he gotta do. I don't know. He just to fix it too.
All right, man. Had to box it out. Had to use a handy dandy speed square. You know what I'm saying? Get your corners right. You know what I'm saying? Make sure everything line up before you hit your thing. And that's how you know you'll have a freaking perfect corner. Always remember, get your speed square. You dig?
So what we looking for?
We're looking for a perfect corner
We don't have no
on the edge, on no gap. You feel what I'm saying?
in this area right here.
In this area. Even though our board got a little rusted, but we good. You dig? So
The board got a little rust.
not a little rust, but you know what I'm trying to say. Got a little warp in it, you feel me? But the speed square ain't gonna get you right every time. Walk them around, baby, show it to them. You got the perfect square. It's a 20 by 20. Check them out.
All right, y'all.
Check them out.
The big square is complete. Let me come back some so y'all can see.
You feel me? This our third thizzle, you know. Took us a little minute, but we doing it. We're trying to go and get this.
So all we gotta do now, what you gotta do is put the stakes
I
behind
gotta grade it.
and grade
Put
it.
stakes behind it, so when they pour the concrete, it won't break the board. That's why I use screws instead of nails. Even though my wife don't think I see her putting the camera on me, I do. So yeah, so I gotta grade it, make sure everything's level and stuff like that, and we just gonna go from there.
This is our first time doing something like this,
It
y'all.
definitely is, y'all.
We mechanics, so
And I'm mechanically inclined
okay then.
to build a shop on the homestead. You feel what I'm saying? And y'all, we ain't buy none of this wood. I ain't gonna even lie to you. We
Yeah,
recycled it. You feel what I'm saying?
yeah, make sure y'all check out our other channels. The Yisrael family channel. Y'all can see a lot of homestead stuff we did on there. Matter of fact, you'll see how we got this wood.
Right.
Is it on the channel? It might be on the channel.
Yeah, so, yeah.
I think it's on the chicken coop shed, tearing down the shed video or something like that, y'all. But yeah.